Subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our newest uploads. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, you're going to learn how to unfriend someone on Facebook. To do this, open Facebook app, then go to your profile by clicking the hamburger icon on top right. Click on Friends and All Friends. Then click on the profile of who you want to unfriend. Then press the Friends button. Then from the available options, select the Unfriend option. Now you have successfully unfriended that person and can no longer access their posts. In this way, you can unfriend on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.